bosome na so ene ye 2nd July enti mo amoye bosome adwuma mo ye aban adwuma mo ye private workers edu sei na salary ne ba na se bibia ekoyi edemai ene Wednesday midweek ana yebrama ye de ehun nsam na da be ye dan yakopon ase se ode ye atwa ye first 6 months ewie aye pim ko yanim omo ya hoden ne nkwatenten na ye ntumi ntena se enche enso eho dwumadie no Central Sports Arena ya tena se ana ye ba be din ko mo bebre enso ewu fia ha na uba Facebook a ukọ o search box ni ma Coastal TV na ukọ search box ni ma na wabie ubia na dwumadie no aye no eda ho dwumadie bi a ye di ofie bia no live Facebook ukọ like share ne ja comment enso efa to e be kan ne kama enso edi amao sanso na ukọ YouTube a eno so no ukọ search box ni ma na wabo Coastal TV Cape Coast on YouTube wa subscribe na kama eno nso benya live enso ahwe enso eho nanso ana wo fie u TV no eye digital na waskane uskane a channel 514 eno so no ye live enso eho etisa ana etie ene ewukwa dey enkomotwetwe na onsa league na ba na wie ye ne de ye professionals na omo okurum ha no ai ba ne sa na ne yensa kan mu a ne enu o ma twetwe nkomo na ye hu the way forward de omo nkom enso omo various clubs any season ni se ni esi koye e ba ne sa ne start league a omo kwa ye nsa kan mu nti akonya no enu ani nti enu omo di nkomo enso e wa ha bidin e de Collins afrani free sa amere kwapum se dumie no bebo e ye nkomo twetwe nko a one on one na me ba ba twetwe minimia Richard Mensah dodo na fa no kodo Nigeria e kwan a Nigeria no fa so bae no obekire yemu oye former Dreams FC omo defender Nansenya Dreams ekobo Africa no na ogobi na edu ba bi na yehunu wom eye de na si ye inji ana coach no e de ne tranchen ye behwe na ye di ho enkomo wabe class beble enti ono a ebetu no mutuo ne wa chechire ba bi a omo wo no eni ba bi ofiri na eni ba bi ofiri a obepie mu ha na ye di ho nkomo bebre e wo fia ha eti sanete ene Francis ejina camera na chi emaye ukọ MCR honom na ubenya Benes ewo ho sanso ana Michael ewo hopi sanso ana Sorba Kofi Suman Richard Bedu omunyina boa ana I think opanyini ba akso ho onu ni din no emaye iti midibatu dwa mepon a mekode na ni din no midi amamo enti omunyina ana eboa enso ana yedi dwumadi no enso edi ebremo ewa ha enti sa enetie enti eno no 23 minutes past 10 no enti emre no susu a na owo eye entusuo bi adwinkyere kakra ana kwashi bi edibusa eye minua Richard na wodi abusa eye number obefre no 059 75 00939 0597 500 939 na no so no wafre na wachire wadwene enso eho na emom yembie phone lines no eye comment or message and on the Facebook yabakan and so Eddie Amount. Mammy Travel Sema Meba within commercial channel Eddie Ashasi.
Coastal TV, you may differ from your by to Ubuntu. It's about development. You discuss issues of national concern, issues of central concern, matters that concern Central Region and Ghana. Ubuntu Sama offer Capos, baby will be a Ubuntu Sama offer. Or your one and Asadi, there or Sade or the Ubuntu, or the baby on the Yadin Fubana over Nasi. We are no other man. Or your one and Asadi, those in Puntu Baba Capos. One and Asadi, those in Puntu Baba Central Region. One and Asadi, those in Puntu or Baba Gani Minara. Puntu Sama offer Capos, baby will be a Puntu Sama offer. Or your one and Asadi, there or Sade or the Puntu or the baby. A in the P and a Batanasi, Feminano Pesiara. Live Ever Coastal TV. Coastal TV, your own face, your own voice.
No me yesi machara, yesi machara.
okay yansa mo bibi akwa ababiem enso enfambra Central Sports Arena ewo Costa live eho ana yewo intisa ana etie enso eho ye be hyase ne ne Richard enso edi enkomo enso ewa ha intisa ana etie Richard akwaba say bibi aboko okay I have one more on this one
that's it
we Richard Mensah ono former Dream Chelsea defender ye ni di enkomo ewa ha ye ka say Richard Mensah on hwan dan wodi ka kire
Sure. Cape Coast are not free. And by the way, I'm comfortable now and say from Naja. And all the way, it's not from Akanji. By the way, but Cape Coast is free. Almost I don't think one. I'm Abra, from Abra to Nigeria. And now I'm to tell me. Son of Messi, I can't. Nigeria, they're got to tell me. Mommy. For. Yeah, need to make by. The guy said we started from a Pabidu. From Pabidu, they call and China, and South Nigeria back. The cotton or Kakra, Bobo shooting star or Nigeria. But now I was about to sign on shooting star in Nigeria. And the band almost say Popia then. Popia. See, no person is answering me, Baba. Mommy say no. I'm member back to Ghana. So I sent me to Nigeria to cry. No more funeral near the end of the week. So I'm here. So later I signed it. The band no mommy say back to Nigeria. See, I want to remember joining Metro. Metro, so that time na Metro, your work course, your boy under 17 for ball, Mr. Seche, your carry, your be uncle for the very good man. And then I see Metro at the early stage. To me buy and now I'm at the second division, so I sent me to me joining. That time so now Coach Rastane with a lot of players. Amugi players, Alaji, no just a big a lot of players for one man. I'm saying I bought second division. But unfortunately, me I'm second division now in the Anche. But almost there 3 to 4 matches in Bina. I say no. So I'm standard and I both second division. I say me to me pave way for it now. We share another standard. It's a long journey. So since second division season NBA and I'm on midfield Metro and that was time I became joining Ochimai Planners from Eastern Region. Now I'm qualified for division for 4. I want the journey of experience in first division started at the Bobia, Sanko Lungo, Proud United. Lungo Proud United. No. Omuton, yeah, anything. Almost Bruno. You started from Tokrade. Yeah, the best in course, Bruno. Oh, now, players boom. I'll show you Ghana football. Treatment in Ghana. Almost there 35 to 40 players. Now, BG 50 cities, 100 cities, near easy. But me now, I'm moving for the ball because I couldn't get a damn also ball. Also, that's why they're moving forward. It's a web ball. Now they pay away. See a boy, yeah, I'm sure. So I'm betting I feel a Africa Canon, Sanko Ball, device or Accra, my agency be now, or linking you to that place. See a body, device, no more boy agents matches are, for instance, Skype is for 2 and suffering. So I am coach now, Coach Malik, or talk, I know coach in the Moko talk, or see, I know coach 11 wise rather. So, and also the demand a Kobo Super Cup, first edition of Super Cup, NFI, so from there, there is some problem with him, some debris, I was KFC, so as I said before, because now, so although treatment in the blue, the salary then ever fine, by football no bar, who are the BR, so they're moving forward. Now, also do standard. So I said before, me card near me release that and yeah, if you want no me doing. See, if you want nana, be boss am at the farm and they say if you want. See, some things been formed to suffer me. So I'm gonna sign me. Na me joma me na me cry no ball leg no. No more division, no more ball leg no. No that for qualify. So sometimes no need to me cry then. I'm ball leg. So na me won na me no more train no more train meka. So me won team me join in second division be won no. If second division be won some boy wa no. Na me join on team me no more ball leg wo. Sa mo zone no the class and kugba ni ade ti me no some comedy leg wo bibie ni so you be no some at qualified premier no in I stand by for preseason premier preseason no you be call Eastern region e crap on side and for preseason so misunderstand be by because in common no need you money and so I say me no no so me to me na open for no for many from say as a player then you have to respect yourself because when you say we don't know so respect on so team no respect what there's no need else wedding we just go low no we no bobo no the way bobo no sir we won't stand at the wall we won't say oh Charlie boy or so maybe help you if you want to so misunderstand the banner then if you want no person somebody member team the war Kempon first division because Kempon one me na ekoda mo camp one near there by me share situation and all I don't fit in so I say me free one and then the baffy so started training kakra one football stores unim boa na heading but always me dan me pass say go for the right people around me, supporting me. Oh, you will fashion, the beyond will be an domasi. I just use this opportunity to thank them wherever they are. The only be many so. Now I say I'm so Jenny Nasa. So I quite remember say more teammate be Safianto. No crown I say I'm a kobo or Ethiopia league. Mabadan. He's a very good guy. When you keep teammate a long time. Very good guy. So at time na Kotokusura Kotokura Saba say bon premier league no say. So on no recommending mama Kotokura as no. The bia me ka say nipa bo wan dem waka because any easy because me quite remember say Nancy I think the interview I will say she smaller. Only the boss the same position but although no nyakuma pa dem ebuano nipa bia wo sana me say so we manjun yon kwa dem adwonboni because ono kwa ebe o shire kwa wono so ono no mom sa platform na coaching so dem mom platform no enya kwa dem bia dem I go through and I'm to register mom from there no it was we say me person me dem me because I don't have any backup because me say me nyankopon no bia me medicine bia me ka say if you believe in God, keep on believing. No, the obey with you madin kakra with the alpha because me say Yankopon was through the baby or share. Unless say you don't believe or miracle of Yankopon. See the demand bomber second hand and buy my boy Kotokura. So me the shame the three say no. The be person me dream. At the end of the season I want to get a big club and play in Ghana Premier League and move forward. But you go here, you create coffee with said I can't also call dreams. Coffee with unless trusted people around me, you know, the ball man in there. See, but they give me no offers and the bar. I was on me call your friends in South Korea, but I know me national assignment dancing, no agents for no more star. Still, I never give up. So no course bar no from Kotoko ni first team. Don't say me go signing. After 2 years, you know. Yeah, long story. So me na it's never me kakra. And me feel say no, but it's part of life. You know, say Kotoko company for no be friendly even Now I say Kusapia, introducing us. I begin, yes. I'm more prosper cry frame. Now, the BR, say, baby, my man says I'm very sorry. Me disappointing, even though about me feel to the car, I'm a share. I didn't come as a when hear me service, Mammy G2, and I get Kusapia near me now frame. But I say, when you call from top there, difficult to reject. So now me wanna when you call from Kettle Krikuna, the GFA president. So the team no coach now recommending my man now my saying. So me to me I'm promoting because you say or a GFA president at the same time no manage dream service. So I took the decision and with my brother George Jan or Mori, maybe Obia Medanase. He's been there for me since day one, believing in me no matter what. Although my young manager, but I took him as my manager. I'll go and kakra, my friend only idea. And now, for 1 to a craze on so Mori, and say, okay, do have some for no, and so Medanase. Joy am be Medanase, many sopa. See, many the brand acquired George Jan acquired. I could sign a contract in Bibiani idea. So, I'm pardon. Since I'm a co-dream, I mean, now I said that. Yes. I'm pardon. I bought the BIO call right, fine. So he said, lady, gonna start here, bought car for me idea. So it came to some time. The uncle who I'm a friend business, I had the so I actually by Prenum April. A match against Rivers United, I will come as it. Yeah. So I had a knock on my knee. And it's serious. Now, the economy is it's not a knock and it's a number I never carry by. I'm okay. You require Sky Mara in Adi now. Maybe I'll call successful treatment and all the idea. And then Uncle Paul to me. I started training. I'm now, so I'm looking forward to move on again.
Drew said you all signing how many years?
We signed 2 years.
2 months.
With about 1 year, unfortunately, due to the injury, any treatment are like, almost treatment, no. I send me free one. On your man, I'm terminating contracts. We go for mutual termination because we name say, I'm only my constant fast food drinks by football any day. It to me, Banessa. Maybe I would be more one. It will be for. It doesn't matter. Say, GFA team and this. Because you want to shoot this one. And coffee, we want more house. Only on your platform for blaster. But be benign. They took my quite much call. Okay. See. Send them.
Mammy, so. Treatment to say the now no the mouth dream says and mouth who the terminate contract.
Treatment we Ghanaian teams no. They be 9 treaty players now. One thing I know is it's a player prepper and other players playing now. What we problem? I'm found actually. But when you go to Europe, it's not like that. Europe no because Union services on Ocean Madrid. But the tower pride in ACL. I'm not using them, but I'm not treating or some buy you money. Would be Gamania if say it is a Ghana, I'm with you because it be bo and they are getting results. So, in such treatment in account. Some baby I need now obey them. I need now waiting account because when you say we blacks and our way of thinking is different.
Mammy, so about some when you say, because of treatment and life.
Means a life or no. Whatever that counts to be, you have to accept it as fate. Say it has to happen in AC. So because I will regret it there, no, we won't say like and shut down here fine. But also accept to say fine, it's part of life and so moving on. Even though the treatment was bad. Any salary in the crowd was bad, but when you say the corporate and come meaning they make me and I mean they make me feel protocol. Bye. saa na ekosi ntumi yɛ hwefa ho.
Eti eba saa na wo ko bi na sisi ayi what ɛyɛ coach Jesus abata.
Oh, unfortunately, Sudan coach Yomuno. Oh, my man message reply here. He's a very good person. And not as here. After all the disappointment and the feeling, I called him, apologize, or no any blame or any or two for them. So prosper me, I'm from a promoter. So I'm going to my mother in Bonnie. But still now, I don't know, message don't reply me.
It's your first Sisia. Coach amu do say so recommend the market ono na aba Kumasi Asante Kotoko uni na di nkomo Sisia no we no ebe say opportunity na asa aba no say James Kusiapia eda so awo team nim as MCR interim management committee member and head coach of Kotoko ofu dreams we coach uda onya gide wo mu de ukoba Africa ono so na asa aba o pese o besane o medi nkomo for the second time ahwese ebia o mo recommend o ma coach ni nimu no de ebia opportunity na ahwese ebia Africa o mu koi o besane opportunity asako
Kotoko a big club Kotoko yetima eba o na ka say o ti ana bisa and a coach no so is a very good father to me we need any problem no so any problem even though okoya me man congratulations ma obi sem what to say my starting and me so say my starting ya there but me and I get in touch with him because I know say he's my coach and I don't want it to be like say the coach call into my thing me so me person me call no because me say coach ni you say that the be over and if given opportunity I'm cool my really say me join it in be like big club like Kotoko Heart I'm okay. Kotoko friends here they are meeting with us and no, I don't have manager. They say if Yankopon yi manager Tama, but I'm not in Ghana. I swear. By Abrabono, you be na Obenya manager na bisa. What they say you are what they say. You work hard and God will pay me way for you at some minutes or time. And I probably be a time. So we just say you just have to work hard and pray. And found say about now say being a good agency. See football is about agency. Yeah manager. When your agency are very good and then say more there, you pay me.
Two agencies.
Yeah. Agency there. Yeah.
But Sisia won't come for now the office in
Oh, I'm hearing from them. The crowd, I'm afraid after training, they didn't come out the break. I actually the young couple they are young couple fit meeting about.
Okay. What are the challenges maybe now facing since I started to up to now?
Challenges in the very young couple and then young couple favor and mercy or who you about that it may fight challenges. Challenges in being said, you like, say, football there at what start here, I know, Scasson, Henry, the other down, Hannah, Eddie, Diana Pardon, Kakranka, to me managing. The other no, it's called of 20 and home because we footballers, Ghanaian footballers, we lack dietary. The baby and some will be over there. Some of the maintenance and until now, we trials yes, some briefly I won't say because one, you can't only look about or no she ham or drink she the beer or arrested. You know, so competition is alcohol, but you don't have nobody supporting. Over coaching, Baba, over hard. So, by doing no cobar, scan Granyan and no more. You to show that's pricing. And so, the other guy went to war, you know. Most of the time, you are a manager, a boy. You are so any manager, you know. It's not easy. Easy.
I tell you, treat back, so why they don't treat back. Also, treat back and say, oh, free expert.
Oh, Mediani one more power and Kokana and me konkwana a committee on the show. I'm very strong guy. But if physique na there, and the power me trademark and me follow me wow him. The role model Kanji, very intelligent guy. Every blessed day, we share the videos near the film because the quality is me video kitano. The share my client. So they be a mission. To dream sales in the Tuma Kanji. Yeah.
Yes, I know she will go where cutting bad. Ujinechira, Ubijinechira, Obagas, and the Muyan and more Yasa. Mammy say, dream sales. Obo matches are ye, but Omoko Africa no. Obo games in your to say injury nearby.
Yeah, since I'm joining Christians, it's not so bad. Even friendly match crampono, me no pako chicho man beche me. Man e change him by force because it's easy. Since I'm young as I'm doing me satu ka Jewish cartel so. Me it's not so bad. And it's all about the hard work. Because me the team say players no call to more dream sales, everyone has management in the team. Pay the funny manager nti me free Cheribano, me free Cape Coast Central region. Me bano. You need backup bia. So what do you have to do? Some work hard. And every time I gain position in the team. Nti na ade eboa me ano. Me I'm very hard working because me dream the home team. Maybe I'm very focused. Kitobia maybe I'm okay. Just focus. Because there's a chance maybe if I'm really serious in the job I'm doing now, maybe say maybe a can to my call.
I was about say Oma Fibu Oba. Ko set box in him. Na wabo ko start TV Cape Coast e dey show Oba like share. Ni jaw comment ever to message bia and a question bia oba say odi busa eye Richie Benson no. Ibebusa enso e wa ha no. Wa hu ya obi ya no odumi nya no so a eno nso nim kwan a obefa so a obe answer question no enso e dey amount striker be na usia na wa that day no say striker dey wa mama wa fame wa mama brem.
Oh, about the Ghana Premier League, they're like I've learned a lot. Strikers in your African also very different, very different. Me, I say striker me share no pa no farm against Kaloum. Very careful, very thick top striker, more than any some against Club African, also with Tunisia. And so Nigerian striker very good, strong. Because me say my qualities, I'm standard number one. That was true. And I mean to me, Yiso was also a very strong guy. Yes, also a very strong striker. And on what the on the board, Ujana Beshe. Yeah. That's
Match you Kusha game.
Against Rivers United was very tough. The Ghana Kumasi because it was strong match. It was a Nigeria for no. More different. More physique and some match in the tough. Some match in the top striker no so no one thing you say we share striker be a more edwuma we no challenge yeah some match in the very crucial match although my ball other Ghanaian Premier Leagues but and to say CAF there senior dey because strikers no are different now most of the time I heard me they said my teammates ni am ball matches me no ball team na no we be na test CAF no I am there Uba Ebenezakwa Baba Musa also Bosamates Uba is a car and a friend national blaster ya about 3 in no test ya almost fully experience and here almost on to me a friend business Charlie it is whether it's preaching it no it's very nice I am there see different
being as a defender be na wo partner na wa partner na bobo we are comfortable say akwa we dey me na gba me okay
more defenders my partner me okay left like 3 defenders and I can say one is friends dreams captain friend Jalilu, Abdul Jalilu. Secondly, Godfrey Yeboah and the Obobo, it's a Mifi country. That Gilberta also, and the Crana in the Casa. And the third one, Kai Chair, on the main kind of that chair. Those ones that I'm born with confidence. Almost your defenders be almost shibo anyhow. In this modern football, no, almost you start to feel you have to be confident now to be sober no. And I love to play with Afiz Slimba, a former player of Cheetah. So I need a boy manager.
I'm sure for Facebook and Wabana Wabe like you know what she know your commentary to ever kind of come and so at the amount. What compare Ghana League to African teams, you know? Say Unomo Ba. Now, what would Division 1 da? Your Premier League and Swabo. Difference near the difference done in term near the
difference woman is a banner about first vision. First vision is more of a mechanical physical. But when it comes to Premier League now, a friend of shadow marking a Dawson Kakra and physically shadow too much because they play with experienced players, very mature and experienced players. Now just adapt to it some young and talented players. Sure, this season, almost a young players and I'm with the senior players. And the difference woman because premium the passing and experience in the Dawson. So you crank away a small boy out to Pima. We say yes, first vision is different. Because maybe both first vision, I'm on them quan, you train me qualities be a qualities in crampa. Until say we could do standard.
And then to listen, difficult.
Say about first vision in the Premier League. You know, there like Obia Boma, Obia per result. Ghana Wausha officiating are sometimes very bad. And I'm also come too difficult because we want to say Europe between Bawu Chrome show, but Ghana easy. Before Beshibu will Chrome take hard work, even though you'll be robbed. But no, she said referee the crowd decided in the match with the Pine. It's very difficult. If the referees know being fair and the friends official, they want us officiating if they are fair, football in Ghana they're so simple. They're so simple. And in Argentina, sana you treat it the referees, the players, and everything. Yeah.
Okay. Young go back to we playing this was starting here. Coach Ben a scout to one as or catch it and also or motivate you say bono work ye hard ye human now be to me abo when the show was crying say you coaching bar if be individual person go one chain in the show crying.
Actually in quite back up. Me sister me bobo na me striker.
Okay.
I'm a striker. I'm ball part me and I'm a striker until we call Cape Coast International. From there, no coach Obed Danim as defender, yes, Sobuchi. You don't know, say, yeah, he's a very good man and
former
summer boy goalkeeper, you know.
Okay.
And it's been a while since so I want to stand here and take this opportunity. You know, maybe I will be a coupon shirano.
You can't say no, also quite
height and qualities and also no, so I'm a actually. Since then, no, training me as defender. So no, back me, I'll be training me say, me can say any or that talent a ball match be a war. Friend, Abra Park so that time no. I don't take scouts on me. See, somebody to return match I will soon. Some match me say obe kai there. I will invite players be brave. I call any idea. So since my ambition and cause now any team I'm busy me ball because me cause I the class we ball body me like. So since then I made a movie from then. So I'm on time to make an to make a watch my planners are me by. I'm in coding command. So I'm not I'm sharing crying say I shouldn't give up. I'm called down here training, I'm really focus. To me for every blessed day be obeying me or to me for which I appreciate a lot. Because we are going to one over.
What to find that?
Yeah, true careful. Yeah, no my experience in traveling. You go to Togo, Abidjan, Tunisia, Liberia, Morocco. Say it's experience, and weather is very different.
Okay.
Yeah.
Compromo organization you to hear there. Especially there are more pitches and
pitches in the more far ahead is in.
Okay.
And yeah, Ghana clubs you call African you call away match you to be possessible no more because we our pitches very strong, hard, and at the same time so quality of the ball so counts it because you carry your first match you call against Club African Tunisia pitch in the crowd your crowd that's because it is a very standard pitch.
Okay.
Passing the bar on chair on your shoe you say quality is there. The quality is there, everything. Organization, everything is very simple. Our crowd player, oh, crowd say yes, I feel no bobo. By Bagana, they are pitching very bad. Very bad. Still crown for team is 100% from you. I need you to learn them. So, in our experience degree, yeah.
Then uji tu say you see a club owners no mumu footballers in favor uji tu misa
when you me shut down experience me say football there's a lot inside but I need me from my drink or me bought teams some aboni na no I never had favor from any team clubs owner me near favor they be make say me hard work and I dey me do there. They be make us me hard work training am year because my determination was high. Although many send make no many manager bia many first many are dangerous bia but me a chance na me ko share team no then I say me work hard because me say me work hard na e bo match na supporters me be kwama me na supporters na be kwama me. Okay. So me na ma dwen team owners no so ni haye and but I mean, said that kind of thing is there.
Okay. I know which means former Dream Safety defender. Cape Coast football ever from Ujitu.
Go on there. And on the 100% who knows Cape Coast there.
Because
football is very poor.
Again, a man from.
Maybe you want to say, like, you want to say, I'm going to say, Cape Coast, no, not. Your peniphobia like ball players and only idea call our bar kai no kodomas and oh be nasty. But I mean say you want to one mama already so my players by due to our situation and want to me what. Yeah, and it to come on football Cape Coast born have from. We share players in the beer. Me bath here, more players in the beer. They are very good. But I'm not chance on it. And I keep with us in 1 year. This is an American. It blew up a software, but due to the AC for the person, it's onward. Because when you say, "Oh, born opposite here," the B and the sound of it. But me present because and you will be an etesa. If you are helping someone, also within a years to come, and men for sad any issue and say, "Oh, if you are saying to me, say to me, imagine I can say me say big castle the bomb me." I'm there. Main performance. But players no was more doors be brave. You know, one million bobo Danny da coaching and young boy minister near there. They are very good. Ukosho mo league na second division ya na. Ube qualities no. In house me blame coaches no baby. Blame coaches no baby. Because ten our kind of coaches baby no one favorite near there. Ni na no. Very bad. Very bad. Coach there. also only obia only your family obia fifie neighbor so you have to handle everyone as your child yeah also phobia tell umba but so obedo bia do bi ado asin bia onim de obetun ayi at any time abrabo ni bi ni de we ni bi ni de we chire e bia de one directing the cramp no obenya chance asin de office or better no because aso ball no yesua enti say first na talent no doors no si ball no yesua bitumi di 3 months yesua bobo no we nya chance kwa buchire enti kebo so ball no de me wo fom me ntan ko ko hwe even do aso ball match me tan ko hwe or match am choose them akọ because me a player me be sua de enti say me be hwe match o say me hwe yeah say sinisi because me pay adusia bi boa o say me sua be fin wo and found so above first division and second division ebi o the above second division the above the same position as mine no ebi o the me won ebi ana ono so wo bi ana ebi o the me ni ono wo bi na me sua apeke fin wo na betumi the brand me dia na me come me but see ana football no so ko fun the second division me tan show mo league
ebi so ejaba se especially campus the football number from Niti say ni national team player bia
oh and they are very bad they be am come da jun pa ni dey shime the queen mini me ya because me carried for the past so many years Antonio Anamuni Rashis ma go blast down yeah because omo kono mo ba fi omo tum bi so say aden na omo be den campus because there's no professionals here ko ukọ akra ni ade a omo television small boy about television professional bo fi a efe what I say efe but and then sa we no and na bi so say first non fan funds one of national team the bia wo nti ni na me de bia anka ni na aka support no at the same time I mean the me can say or say ye do yon okay cool space or say ye do yon yeah say ye do yon this is a very good message and better make or say ye do yon because we dey wo krom na so don na what we no be so don what we no obeba akọ ye ni krom dey yi onye no wa no nti say we dey wa no say won don na or say ye dey akoma pananti because ibu a okọ no ukrom ni na okọ no ebe o hira wa no no on mo sika oba obetimi ene bi akasa na wa boa me sane me no but say wo dey wo tem na say obe time na yawo na ende sane ni dey e wo kepu sa no to be honest it's here and every time bia me coach na me to me share players me home like me ya say we have very good players here and they are not playing clubs like I say the Premier League so we are good even on your big club oh keep players in now we see also call talk crowd in here then na akra na dey na they are pushing hard so mo dini be boss but keep no due to that and ya and there and ya so ta doors mo kromo dia eboa they say we just stars
o ka se no o ka se ni say keep good players o say mo boa mo na mo ye one but yenye obi wo keep cruise ha wakodu the top nipa one ne nam no enhwe ni mbanka opia na ngebe but o the free ye mu ekọ be foforo ekọ bo obi foforo o tisa na o feel zen
oh on the me feel bad no ni nipa adwen what I say okay the amaka say nipa adwen dey so hu dia anka no dey kai na ba hu dia because unim dia nipa no so ye ma na afa ho okobo a what I say bia me say obe I say usi so obobo na onye obi a owoto pure water ma wo nom ne ade ba wo do stage bi no ukonye the right person a eden ono otumi pin we no wa otumi eden and there be a star what I say sa nipa no sa o pin sa big we no wo expect say office e oba on be bi ma na no wa be although oba be bi ama de no top water no buy the main person our ma can be so
really no be swasene
what I say and see the power dream there to mean deciding manipa because or the beyond important be answer nipa no dream sana me no
okay Facebook comment ni bi aba na Francis Amaka referee or Good Samaritan School mo chira de ho. Ose watching you live from Good Samaritan School Abra. Okay, keep it up with the good work. And we Mr. Afro Kalim and so US of A. Say awesome when the only message out de abanono. Eti onfa wo de buy over Facebook a set box no na eko set box wo na bo Costa TV Cape Coast ni jaw comment fa to no na like na share ye be kan na kama enso edama back to yendi enkomo you see your professional the senior players no like omumwa the society say obi amokono mo ba society no mo no they are not helping them especially bia Momo example be say Kudwa Samoa say on what Juventus Academy na say say $100 on foul. Who is saying?
Some message you need like on say like it's very painful him. Say na work on. Say Kudwa Samoa no baby jet no party no mo no. You can.
Because I think Monday a weekend you cram. Kudus Echo in the formal school.
Yes.
Busy school.
Yeah.
Echo who say if you hear booty names and no man will provide the amount. And na keep us here, me since I'm about to turn 80 who be. Oh, feel sad.
Feel sad because any just say over cover now you are doing something interesting. A bit to me a pushy young coming footballers and happen on because your professional idea. I said to me, a PGM, son or bar or hear them on FM. Oh, me say all people are the pollution in Dawson, like polluting and they will pollute you to the sense that you not have arts. When you akumaya them.
Okay.
Son pollution in the dogs like the will be seeing your car some amani ponma, Nippon, the opposite in the club, they feed them. Omunibie. Omunibie pa mimi de bia mekasa mimi sisu am bobo no me bitumi gina akwa bi to make car some na ya akwa bi be catch me but I mean I don't take it. Me say nipa wo wi asa no matter how big or small you are go for become awesome. So you just take that message and you work on it, then you move forward. Retaliate, you just put it at the back of your head. I say, no, why you focus? Not the opposite of your why. Because Omun Saden here, been a worker say produce no money are there. Omunya come the day is your own. And I'm a kind of pollution. The debate to me, or the about what them unya akuma pass over so ya there. Na, put this in on my bomb on my banner, or say what you know, only the honor. And I did because if you are really willing, say I don't know so yeah, no matter how message you're gonna get, you just have to do it. And found with the Nipabaka. But I did because as soon Nipani again. Maybe I say send a minute, maybe on on sir.
But you will be more Omabo, but Oman professional. By Omono individuals, if you are with him now, or the mouth.
Yeah, I need to see, and there will be more very good.
Won't be.
Oh, maybe on there, it didn't be meeting about me. Okay, they are very good. They are very good. And the Macassan body there, and the minimum cable was on cable, some of the Macassa. Yes, maybe you all, mamma, you get me good.
Ghana, acquires a floor, and it's only have been good to me, maybe mobile, but who were the kind of your oil mamma, which the child got a mobile, and as if you are professional, who provide them to all.
Cables, man, thank you for action by Cables. Or be many one name. So, obey car somehow about how be there. It's better you just keep it and just move forward and focus.
Football is more ungrateful. No, ungrateful.
No. Are they? I need a crap. Me, since I'm a starting bubble, Nipebia born piano is always in my head. even though I'm not up there yet.
Okay.
Say I mean enough money to come and better mercy. But always I have them in my heart.
Okay.
Maybe I make two coin be idea or bomb either is a man or a woman or more my so. Say I could one do standard be first of all. And they be because players. Always you have to pray about remembering. Because all body now will do level be no. You get to some point there are so many things that will be fighting against you. Boa be sure about the never been idea. And so need to me very much work against him or what so about to work against him or what so. You know, those kind of things. And so if always be bumper is already be your bomb piano. So we do Saturday we are the kind what I say kind if you are only what kind of what dream the about mama. You never forget. You never forget. Maybe I make you come we are talk ready, woman do on my boy at I'm proud in this cup maybe the woman no ye di ane ton. Then you dinner me you feel your ton because me kai de wa ya me me say me gine ya me kwa kwa den akoye bia ma no wo Accra wo Eastern region if you ma bobo minimum na Eastern region bobo na achime plan so sa no treatment about woman or farm say about hwe me kama so san kofo ina dani de ina no o ma dream say anything me come I that me say till they be because oyen kai or could do professional one day to have because you some when you can post on social media your handlers will be posting and how you spiritually things will be working. It's when you be like yeah be your bumper to rabi go for bomb memory free or yeah and the way them crowd and I am monk of football omo say omo ungrateful. Footballers have good at seriously you have good at
okay. My mama and so about Facebook we have to fire money cheese and so area go area my no see I can give you a role model
yeah
na Ghana high
Ghana I don't have more role model in Ghana yet
sir
no
why
no me I don't have always I watch Euro football so I don't have role model in Ghana yet
Ghana football they won't
Ghana football I'm ball matching there I'm ball again I'm share the share defenders and share be but always I want to be at the top so I learn from the top. Yeah, because a top standard is very different than in Ghana. And if you want to play in Europa, you have to learn from the top. And every footballer be and also every place they be the system is changing. So, when fun is a quality when over, you have to learn something more serious. So me more in Ghana.
Club Lena and you desire your one is move for local and international.
That's all right. Me naturally, my two big club was Kotokani Arts. For the past so many years, I'm competing for the league in the Africa. So normally I'm in a big club. I'm like, let me dream about in the arts.
You call it international.
International, me, I'm Barcelona, Man City, yeah, and Bayern Munich, Juve, yeah. Oh, let's put the payments aside. Right now, Heart of Oak are doing something really good, which I like. Because this year, I know to say, oh, Nancy, I'm a player, she try. Like, I'm the quiet show, fine, yeah, even out of society. First, I'm not bad news there, player, Pranamo, Shannon, like, Tanya now. I have a player in the panel, Upper call Pampa. I know. Ufili base challenge me corners and me price in as I know some of the baby. So and so the art to be so which matter. Yeah, so you learn from it. This year, oh, they are doing very good job. And we share the way our management and the management team now a unique. Okra a better for say or quackable. Of course, no, Bonnie, if you are for some baba mo
Edu obo.
Edu de obo mu Edu obo mu
Obo ko hia bi.
On the baby.
Na ye dan wu ye dan mu de bia. Ibia ye bobo na wu se bo we padi. Edu ko ye.
Edu obo mba when you do mentality ko one ebe chew. Yeah. Edu obo mo do mentality ni wa dream. And the call now. Because if mentally you are strong, physically you are strong, and spiritually you have God in your heart, that one day, forget it. Because you draw young upon a boy.
Okay.
Young upon boy, about for be able to go as I say so. I'm still no control. But if you have one true God, if you have come on so many years, you shouldn't be afraid of those kind of things. Yeah. But I draw a bomb. And they draw so you 1 hour.
Okay.
You draw seconds and now minutes. Draw you 1 hour. Through all and yes, and they draw you. Just something. No, yeah, that's how it works. I come in with that. Secondary school, kind of guy, and they also suffer by me. Yeah, Bobo Agri Park, so just sent an abortion to go. You say, do you say, do I know. Or Pedro, naturally means of Pedro. Yes.
Personally, individually, or father, you know,
yes. You mean of Pedro.
No, so yeah, qualify.
I'm like, your players in one man, always, they want the favor to be on them.
Okay.
I've seen some before. You know what proud they are. Actually, no any cut off for. Every Africa, but I cut off and I said, "Mister, check what you do." But before you the boss are cut off, now you bomb match the guy. Always his name is on top. You mean say Ojali is you, Ojali me ade. Always Ojali be another very fine, but it doesn't mean imagine all. The name said the Oyeni, Oboa, Nyameda. Tie you are the one. Yankopon bet me jam what the adena you will be. By to argue, you are not destroying that person.
Okay. Oh how?
Oh how? Be do be able to pay more baby. They did be no crown or how would you not be career? So if you are plotting against someone, you just have to be real. Then you have your Kayena work or say any banana. Most of Ghanaian players they do. They do. Be born position up so plan on to be new. Kaka ya bro for no go be abi petrol. Can bro for no to bench best season number of match 5. Come still they have contract, they are still playing. Sure. But then on the Oboa, about 2 great player no. I'm saying you double in your chance for. Yes, and you always if I'm playing now. Oh, banality wa. I be dreams be to me. Me dreams me need pie 2 times. I'm up on me 2 times. In Bobo me see everything I'm like that by and then but because me never bring me here because when you say standard me do no if me near 40 km pa me call
okay
so pro me chi e wo Liberia sani me dia ma o de wu ma say no it's all sacrifice of the game so we do there ni na me say do o say me jogu because match boy head down o be say o say mo jogu maybe any we match na big Liberia say many pie if say beans here can confirm because someone in boss here 10 times and for going to change those people were very good in terms of playing you know the football there I have Ghana there catch even just come on and see your loan teams no share class and almost boy easy but drew the only na sacrifice would you go out to me here and they won't you can say doing boy draw go it's an American what dream na someone who you did spiritually o mo pa bun yodi uji yakopon did there forget it drebi an obetu mo ka bible nkra directions ane uji yakopon no bible no read ni ya you are good to go
now we pa what is our lesson for your
why
you was gina agree boss and time
and then we are in the way of life. nya sexual being na like all the so far maybe I don't want to friends on so far on there.
Okay yeni enkomo we na after football we be say obi coach football administrator and football agent bi ana bisa.
Oh no, me the bomb say at this my early stage, if I'm able to get to the top scorer, I want to be helping players, be like agency.
Okay.
Yeah, to help players. Serious, because me only say I don't know boy. Want to me any professional down be afro no say no scar. Even when the agency the plan, we go on the top level. Agent na only the agent. Just talk to the agent. Or have a good player there. Then I'll say, okay, for players in the bra. CNC, almost 4 more percentage CNC, just to push them forward. When you're done over Kwabana, professional, now you are working with agent too. You guys with agents no need you man. The same thing. So talk to the agent and pave the way for the other players to go. It means that I know it's very simple. But you don't have to be at the top level before you help the other players. Just Ubobo Africa, Ubobo Europe. That's it. The agent no need you man. It's been rude to you now or positive. Why not? The other players. Because me say Sana, the other players are doing. Come Kapate say come the ball. They say we want to say because agency no name with money. And no man no don't about. Yeah. So that's how I see it. So maybe I'll be an agency to preach the young ones, outside them. Because it's a very nice thing to do.
Dream says Africa
you do quarter final or semi-final. Yeah, semi-final against Zamalek. Yeah, against Zamalek.
I didn't secret.
The mechanics here, the only do only now say, the players never experienced that kind of tournament before.
Just because we qualify young because of your standard football.
Because we carry the preliminary stage, then easy from your core, your first match against is it Milo or Guinea or Sabio, so because Milo or Kalum. The match was very tough. The question is you are tough. It's almost a correct grass in the animal we see. Like the guys from the bubble, they were better than us by dreams and not players. We were one in Akuma. Like if you Akuma on an airboat, your mentality is say tough. And the boy and the Akuma boy say nearly go. In the early blue, near the draw by. I'm calling some commission, you remember some machine. Because apart from the share the goal, the second half, the way you don't go from the pressure, and you bomb back crack, and you don't return my crack. Almost sharing a better show to one. Pop ball and Casangaza. So, it's easy. Because other countries, football is different than we. Different we feel winning ball room but we took our ball we more qualities because and then they be come
now we do some final windows be by and
calf in the mechanic people thought when I was playing calf and no scar anything dreams is not a team like Ubeni Scout what I say a team who promote players pushing for some best select players. Until there's nothing like promises. No, we never had any promise. Kadus, Tisaka, when you do semi-final, but this time, I won't say, give them more dime or car. And then the Queen, even can support a beer and you have to die out of car. By no promises, by the bonus of bonus. Only to me for winning also. Because you have family, you have with your dime car, over to boot over you know the price. Also, book up, over to boot the ball which you maintain on the pitch. So, confirm if you say there is car near there, but yes, sanity.
Yes, and come on, I assume you have a cemetery. bibisa say mo na bobo wa bo Premier League abo division 1 aya clubs no e provide mo boot e at least obi ani 111 that's why we to be aka omo bi ana boot bi am se bi am na mo
because me quite remember say me susu me boss for the division me ka say o sa na ye yo no ba ni ma na ye sa na te until say do group no be say sa na te no team never will provide you like boot obi an never provide you boot yeah no until say the yakopa dum say your boss GF president no provide you promo boot on say anya unyo no kra na unyo two pair na the ball league kra you are okay and the Radias is on Kupon no cause I need pa man on content one amodin. He's a father to me. I never had any problem with him. He's a father to me. Anytime I'm in the Casabia, so open heart, I make us fine. Tina the day and I come. Me in Colibia, me be a problem because we need that we be able. Me in Coklabia, me person you be having a problem. So. There's no team I will provide the boot. Kokokra mama no kra mo so mo provide the boot. How to provide the boot.
Okay.
It's only the be was a. We no so o take risk no boot or be ejuma no because we need be because of so I will make you mind that so pay ejuma with tools. If you have your tools there you are ready to go.
Okay. We shall for 27 minutes past 11. Ekomo twetwa na busu no ente bisi na yasore enso efri free media no so na yakọ na misi se wo ma Facebook camera stage box ni oba keep aye Crystal TV keepus oba like na share media comment enso efa to no efa maye na Mr. Alfred always yes so o monitor show no why you busy there but ohwe a obutwa ehwe enso onti yenchia na bebe obi ano na mucha na onya kese enso Richie yamhwe within Kegos aha wo bobo wa nyini wa player be na wo ma unim se be ni si so oni ball abo wo tumi ambo players be one player be na bo na because we dey ni se da chi bia ade ye Premier League ni bobo bi but when you go into that standard.
Actually, no. So now can I'm a bobo. But now, Yankas and you are the bobo army. I'm not. My dream should have any players because all the will be not. Maybe bumper there or being your chance on riding. But you yet to see clouds on. But still was able. Okay. Me and Madam for co-workers.
Okay.
Yeah. He's a very good guy. And very good guy. The bumper is like a bit tasty experience of the first division and the Premier. Because when you born a ball, the corner when you born a ball. Although money number cool sana by many Bob, your banners are very good and other players like Joe Kunzio. So good our height and we are come out say naturally Yankopon is sharing with talent bia or Gianno Bofic shower actually I'd say Beckham no Lampard no say we are getting more so qualities no which John Kojo was our quality no and also many bumpers a bit tasty that kind of level no yeah there by omugu Super Bowl no akonja na mbai and I say me kan mbo no because you see our born ultimate for bag fan quoting talk about trials or cockride is the one recommendable. Okay. But Nina so being the right person will be push you. Sure. Because life is about working with the right person. Always you have to work with the right person. Only the right person until you are good to go. See, I'm very good, but so I'm about I mean we should some being your chance now. I'll come in. Send a mechanic and share that and share people because no me Keep some number one check because me pay something too quick. Me from bad and cockroach trials. Just that time I saw no could to make cockroach trials near the and to send there will maybe some questions. And they would to me because me Kaiser been recommending me call achievement place. No me didn't chrono. Been recommending me and someone that helped me. Mom is car. my papa knew and I recommended me. But say news no. My friend say, oh, so this is in Milkono. There was a girl. And the girl and the minimum kind of thing. And I'm a Messica, Tom, Bibia, Booting idea. Maybe I'll be Uncle Panshan. See, me too, and I'm okay. Me knew a girl about me to an okay. Some fuck up, could you know my body yes, Van, I'll come 5 minutes of my boy. Till me dressing, and 5 minutes, no boy. Boy, almost see the next young robot trust. Say, to the next year, buy no, or man, because I'm from place with that. And like I say, do some situation here, or so standing on your feet. So I'm from place, you know, I'm saying no. To me, friend mind, be me command, you know, you know, RFE, but not saying come for. Very good man. In kind of thing. No. In kind of by. I am a young person, kind of name, because I'm kind of by the Biotino, so meaning to do it one. On a friend, no, say, maybe certain Nura. Na me ne nkasa ti me decide tin rules that time job be free ne be so team no nti you know around no me business and culture no mo from share me so no na me call no so ti me call no so na ka chin say o boss in culture me bo just for na me ba na mo see o mo wi o ba na nti o bisa me say me bo position ben no ka chin say me set back no so wow I shouldn't go or some mistake so yakopon no nshira yakopon de yo super bi we ma me no see o me tina so no me call me tina so the train is last day, about 2 minutes. About 2 minutes, no bringing a coaching. About 2 minutes. No bringing the bomb in the count. 2 minutes, I'm going to about one. So now you couldn't usually to do from the Chrome one to police. Police, I should of course, I'm playing that. We do one there from police because of money. Oni na no de biansa na me kan e hard work e training
police ni ya dey buy
police na like to be on tackle strikers no kai I mean no the Mina Sharks boy e watch tafo no boy o striker boy
I see police ni attack here
me catch watch yes on what you say o boy striker de o boy unless you be me effort me fit in pan there I won't agree because when you do say me protect me poor no so them sanum so gradually is
list no me to know list bia e bia se one maybe as over kind of one the rise of Jojedu Anane inya Ali Boni inya Isel you Musaki Jan physical communion have passed through the ranks here. I think say as a umudio go sound of one going the highest level. How move?
A banner striker like Jojedu, very fearful striker, or a good striker, and although I'm sure I knew him by when it comes to talent, Obi, and like I and say, although he passes through so many challenges, Banner Viper is to house, one directing, say, no, yeah, Nina, I'm sure Nina account, and when something like that is happening now, say, as a family, so, say, oh, papa, now, mamma, almost on the feeling. Say, why is this happening? On Jabon, I mean, it's any account, but he's a very good player, honestly. Meaning, Michelle, I know how to tackle him because, I mean, say, Ujana Bubu and Marcy are very good when you born a ball. And I'm going to play okay player, we say, like, maybe this time, like, I saw maybe they are still planning to come back to the game.
Okay.
Because they do some time maybe use going off for some time doesn't mean that you are ending your career. Maybe you are building something up to gain yourself. And Musaki, no, I didn't know that. So Ujaya means okay, mentality, no spirit. because Yankopon boy no also some boy spirit kan only adiane dan na ti dey bia wona ma wo ka nkrahia some do abrabo so so no matter how it is you make it through football dem ko dia say no matter how it is dey bia wo ka nkrahia some do abrabo so nti no spirit me dey do with you na dey nche but who say like who na like who give you up sana there are some people who do there 35 years 40 years and some make it who 40 35 years who make it now who to be just 1 year they the opinion now abrabo nti life no who say who so mo bosi say who say they are just building the same half I'm bobo mo no me den I'm samba back but engage it's time engage it's time you just have to build a mentality say engage which me true ejuma which me get my then I recommend you now all the call cause you call abrochi I wo come mo ejuma abrochi do Sundays am ko bobo ni ade a na true then agent bi nko mo na apiri way tini na esi omo de I am who ma like me feeling one and the madam for very good guy Panasampa and then in the Ekasa extra George Susa Ekasa Musa KJ and on the Shada say mature singing Shada and Shremi from early stage until said he am in a bobo ya they are very good players I like
like Stevie Benton I thought
Bento. When you are talking about Stephen Bento, I respect Stephen Bento a lot because we need to share our good, as good. That time, I'm being a recommend me call and we could share. He has everything as a player.
Okay.
When he's standing, agent behind the like open. But the behind I say when they were playing like Premier. Olden days like Dwells and me cut now I show no the kind of qualities of war near there me am Jim so now this is the kind of qualities I pay because he is strong physique and when the ball so ball yeah my friend is in the ball cry I say Popo near there because Popo is strong when the ball the right physique so but and I become when you're the right person, I'll be pushing you.
Okay.
Yeah, and football is all about marketing. So when you be like over market also, you have your videos. Even if you don't have someone that is marketing you, whilst you are playing, you'll be taking your videos. You yourself be marketing yourself on social media. Anything can happen. Anything. You need to read in a training or two social media. I know in your chance, but no call. So. Kind of football is here it's money, so whatever you are doing behind, make sure you create a platform for yourself and just market yourself. Anything can happen. Because not only Stephen Bento, when you're the right person to push him out, because you'll be on like you will be a very big player, professional in Cape Coast here. Seriously. Because very good. Very good. Anytime I see him, it's a lesson to me. It's a lesson to me.
Two guys I love watching them. Abdul Razak Golden Boy when playing football, and then Jonathan. Their experience and then Omujina Boom Wow yes, they have the talent. But some of we don't see them in our league and to the top.
You know, when something like this happens, like it pains a lot seeing a very good and talented players like them. No, but still now you are not seeing them at the top level. No, yeah, but you can't predict the future. That's what I would say. I would say. Still, they are not giving up in football. I've seen them playing. Meaning, senior man, Golden Boy, meaning Kobo Boy, Joko, so you know, he's active, playing very well. The composure, everything is there. You say, if at any point in time he had the opportunity to call, being a time I call top one, top one man. He will play. Jonathan is fit playing anytime we play at the Switchy Park. You know, he's playing very good, very, very, very good. So this thing shows that they are not giving up. The chance is not just coming. I know it will come. As time goes on, it will come. You have to get the right people. The right people, because to me for pay and find idea. Well, life and that until you occupy one of the funny person or the right person, so then the person will direct you. Then everything will be going so smoothly. That's how I see it. So I'm more easy now. I'm say I'm on top level now. Anything can happen.
Okay.
Yeah, and I'm praying because seeing the kind of ball they are playing when I was playing with them, Switchy, they are not good yet. I'm trying to say, I'm back to cry. Now, a couple players in garbage. I mean, Suriname is playing, so Suriname is playing, so I'm back to cry. And I'm going so if you see our Bobo Bonache, if you would any share some obey like a woman, I will show some obey any version of Unsunomi. I say, you taking alcohol too much, you know. Sometimes you taking alcohol by just now to manage your health.
Okay.
Yeah, we do understand that. That's one thing about from.
Okay.
Can you say Christian? I don't think more bunch of that.
Yeah. You go back to cruise football. But cruise football, you go I say first division war. Intensity, I was so. The Bible all the football with Pablo and Chantel. Between the two, intensity was so. That time, a day the man who put it in the Bishia, again, and then one much in the young man. They say, oh, call Abra, be a for Jai. $60 billion between the two.
Because the players, I say we are in the hood.
Okay.
And they're playing the different kind of team. I say we ball Chantel and we ball Pablo. Don't say maybe shower. If we need to feel, me team money then and show me. I say if we need to feel, me team money me near there. I say if so much in the shares are now American, and everybody's really concentrated. Yeah, yeah, nyabo. So me make my show me see. And then I'm matching over here intensive, very fine. And I'm getting to flow money effect. Yeah.
And then time when this is here, coach football.
This year, coach football, I'm sure that I'm winning this way. Because I'm concerning Najina. The coaches building their children up. Because first, and make it's coaching and say, like, we work on the ball, you know, too much. Everything, but and then Uncle and two crossing ball. And you find it's enough. You are butchering Uncle and work 12 born now on board.
Say, Yami Yaman.
A born now. And you get your course plan and say, what course boy be an mission or Macy, no, what tables, and then say, inform. Let me be always here. Macy or left cheek.
Own crisis, yeah. No.
Yes. Very easy. But see, I'm sure I'm to say first. Qualities in a Ecofum. In our coaches, no coaching. Born flow. And you can't be about that your each time.
But a lady now is a young very funny on man. Coaches in you. Training you combat. Or move from the game. A general penny
I keep posting penny phone there. Come on, some day. I some like sometimes an area. Maybe because if I wish to like be a professional in Moscow, there are certain things I will do. I won't let someone do it.
Okay.
You just raise some tournament for the youth coming. To also enjoy football.
You find say one more league and we will
yes.
Before I would do that.
Yeah, well organize it. That's one thing I love about Baby Jet. You know, organizing that U15 tournament and share na see kura mpo no lamte type lamte be ye bi U15 tournament no like efe emu nkola no so mo involvement how nkola nti esa na anytime we will be ano wo bi wo mo say akwala we last year no about game now we introduce no we recommend no academies because academies there we will play if you recommend them mo ka all the akwala na baba no matter what or talent ma dey be sign no so the penifon there we ka say o mo ye course ni ye course there no na yin na ye boy ya ye dey ni cause course there one block course our boy different and there no kwa boy different even your control is different
okay
cause course no you better control
okay
you better nyeme bebre but yes but one bar no be near and there you will lack something you will lack no matter what you lack it's not about for no build from academy na they go to the high level because I'm seeing ade one you see all the Ghana coaches in training technique how to play long pass say no better when by naturally yankopon island they are changing
okay
about you better say na one be cabo no say na be ball shot you better by ano coaches name be now so that near times by I'm better how to control pass everything but when it comes to technique everything on there we are playing yankopon they are chill easy tini ya na ma uko Europa omodi bitian 100% omodi bitian ba all the way yankopon na na talent e bon pass e penifo no yankopon be come akoma na o ma ye na me na football no so akoyi wo keep kosa no cause keep kosa there our football akechi
the advice that I mama coach class
oh advice I'm the mama coach class and say e pa mo chowa no the need ma amunya time on kola no like I'm sure book no so there everything is not on the pitch and you dey house na bia am ba am be training bo a ba as a coach mbo a osua there team so na academy so no ba na o dey achro mo no musua there because enyom na na madwi e bi wo adusua ho this route minya time na never do one na what almost one China what church mo and so bi o ma dream
okay
cause school there and you know coach kunya na ya bin and there to adwin minimum ajesin bi ibu was a ono pia bontin a de e koso abontin obi na dream e ma no sua there
okay
yeah so coaches no me pamocho wa mo nyenta mo nkola no en KK ni dia na do so KK ni dia en bi adwin aye abutre because open result if you akwala no so so fun so we ba after na wa won foforo o pampa no team kepu coaches me dia me pamocho wa ina ina be coach ba ene akoma no de junior coach
Mambi amono tumze bia o nje fe na odena je chere bia ba 059750759050939 oba na wolu wa oti no set no volume no wolu na oni edi komo na otie hu e phone ni nti enu no be wa se obibi volume no bi esi su tede ne e ba na sa na be feedback ensu ewufia enti obese o frɛ na o chere agena 05975000939 oba ya be fa na oso odi wa twenkyere enso edi aba enso enti sa ana etie ensu ewufia efutu be na odi na eye grassroots footballer ibia lebe o si so so bobo usiano ibia wa kohwe no wa hwe na say we good and I say be a group of encourabi e training na uwia it has a true move for football and
football dia na doso ko ni mini because ni am won encourabi am training me buy me ni mo ye training every birthday dia e ko gym e ko beach am ye encourabi famasa na football no to me say as this age you know am bono me want wage you know like there's something in me the ko ni me there ba ko be na nshada ni minimum ba na me share animal ba
okay
in front of me war maybe 14 15 years going no now there was nothing like say be am war ba na me war ba me dating no say over this time now won say 50 16 70 years won say or girlfriend na there although won say as time goes on life no be as we are say the Americans say even if you have a girlfriend now the Americans say like just know what you want. Know what you want. Your band never pay. Are they open? Your band never pay. Just you have to be focused more. Train. No, don't be social media too much.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, don't be social media too much.
And also not hiding.
Yeah. Abrofo no me kwani me me sha abrofo modo mba abrofo mba miensa eni omodi nkomo. Abrofo no mo sa no mo nyina no social media. Bi wo friend IG any Twitter pe na no.
Okay.
Apart from that, Facebook, TikTok, no. But I can obi ani sana. Oya bibi okwa ama ni je. But bibi okwa na ma ni je no. You should know how to handle it very well in that time. And we young age no so we energy more. The person will be ano. I'm expecting more from you. But if you are unable to manage your time well, in your sleeping, everything, you will not perform well. And the football is about resting more.
Okay.
If you have enough rest, you perform well. And Kolani there, me too from Pachoa, the social media stuff, and at this time, they are from Kakra.
Okay.
Pachoa, and we have social media, but we know how to handle it. So.
Roman School Park, yeah. Yeah. Oh, come on.
Let me come with Campo and come up with machine could do in the floor. Seriously, if I have big money right now, me call you not confirmation with you. Obian to me stop it. Because
but I buy you to match.
Cardi Biano, only about Casa, only about Casa before I say you can't do anything just like that. You have to consult the big people.
Because more properties.
Yeah. If you know say park in that one is a community park, although okay, I'm going to here. You should also think about the football, the youth playing there. Even if you don't think about the youth there, you will say they be on board in Brebo. Even who feel cry now when in the out in bet and wash it. By this time, by this time, we host so many matches there. A big crowd of share. Yes. Yes. On the area. Come by, be a madam for me, Rwanda by a mobile Rwanda league near them. I will organize a match, they will play. People will love to come and watch new players. Sure. Because you see, I know what infinite. Always be, they will not be coming home. I'm about no 2 days. I'm going to show my family near their sample. They be, in Colanzo, I'm more often on Bano. I'm say, hey, you're coming with a bubble with you, and I'm with you. Who was not before us uncle. So see one of the MBA say Ufu Kobobo baby near the area. Because Roman Park very park by this time. We say energy.
A lot of activities.
Yes, of course. I offer class the roof, you know, or more match and share, be crowd to watch your I was a professional, but this someone was still Rashi Smala, Abu Golden Boy, and that kind of coming on with matches are like, a very fair, baby, a barber share. Because Abba Park, popular park, the whole Cape was here, popular park. See, and the area, and the because I pump in the furniture. I'm going to be on with me, I found pound I'm going to drink Colano. They are young penny from Colano. Because if you are over no crana or if you need to be born crown of Baba, it is a parking in the one man. Sana, yeah, there are some culture moments you are parking, so you know, it's not fine. It's not fine.
Okay. Eti Musafo enche ya de komo twetwe no eba no wie full lines no be biato so se yebenya afefo na mi bi a o de na bi enche nso ɛde ɛba 0597 500939 0597 500939 oba yɛbɛfa na yɛti wadwenkyerɛ a nso wowɔ ɛde to so nso ɛde ɛma yɛ na nso ebi a futuo bi na wa na wode ama yɛ ne yɛatu na yɛkɔyɛ attacks number 9 Rich why ana wɔbɛkyerɛ no last bit
Oh, first of all, it's your mommy or net 2 days meeting in Nigeria. It's been so many months I've been mommy come, and anytime meeting in Kabia Maniji, because she's been the one, you know, praying for me every blessed day. You all know I'm coming, I'm waiting for me, you know I'm coming anywhere. And Pieball and then young on Adam, and I'm a chum with Madame for now. They have been there for me since day one. And let me teammate for my bobo, the more be uncle on head. And one more by sure. And coffee will be there meeting bomb because you didn't need a dozen. But I can't say your more be uncle on head. And one more by sure. And your way be an insume. Mama for me, more goes to Tamichi. Send him a ye. Kupon boam na bibia mo bibia nko ye mo nko so antamichi na mi fi om
so ebon pai se ubenya big contractor ubamo no do the highest level na ukodu onuma yetia na ye wo story no bia ehubia na say yes ufiri ha na koy enti yesu du ubon pai na me inchira so se ube do the highest level na national team ya be ibe mu se wo she GCB bi a wo bo enso de ma o my Ghana enti ye da so se ye to safra wo bae
oh that's so one sa konje big opportunity and I'm very excited to be here seriously although I've been to other platforms before but I'm very happy for you giving me this opportunity to be here and may God continue to bless the good work we are doing as time goes on you know.
Enti awuafo sanetie yene aye Richard Mensa obo edema dream session wabo class bibli Ochiman planet ewuwu mu sky na no the most popular team obo ko Africa edu that standard no still ye bo ba se obesa akodu eho anzo ikama akọ UEFA Champions League won ye bo ba se obo akọdu salem no ana nyina ye hwehwe na odu zara mu na se owini CAF Champions League odu final plan na wa ni do ya achievement yes semi final ko odu ye no kra eyi yi se e ganin kra e be du sale mo no obobo against zaman ko be film e achievement ye bo pa se ye Ghana le so no obobo on gibi na you say yes king coach abra yes we na winning a team player what Ghana Premier League ni bi king coach le ye nya bi nimu se eya abra ananya abra eno na ye ni ti odu ono no ogibi na ye say yes Champions League ya kama di mu nyina yo ba mu ko bisu nyina bo bi ne de e be bon pa se maybe apate madu no ono nso endu o nyame enchira so se odu o se no on pa ye ke coach place no o mu nyina e bi sa level no se ba ko o de team no wa ko ha no mu hia mpo a efe na o ma exchange Jason pa o say yes akono e chire bi no ba fia na e say yes e won Champions League teams and our place e wo fia e wana say kuru muhammad eno no e ya achievement kese e nyane kikos ene abra e beyond etisa ene tie say e to safra no so oba ye go buy say clubs no office na aba no so any good offer and from no say ya mo nya fine Africa ha krampa you know fun say e hono e ngakanga I am fuchine ni bididi mochi etisa ene tie we dey the corners afane dwedi no dwedi no na abo ye be kogro na ya ba fa kase bo no e dey abere Francis ene gina eye kama na chibo aye so ana MCR ho Benis Richard Behu Michael ana eye empirifo maka Mr. Omar Binandela eye asorba Kofi Suman ana Professor Kwamina Bafu Eje enso eboaye momi madam ana Mrs. gifty yomi idina na mabọ asem bia no George Edu King George say wishing him well okay George Edu ọsẹ o tapa ọhwẹ eti George bẹbi awo ya wọn ne papa duba wọn ne papa duba wọn ne de my good brother and good brothers to me my idea I mean share money futu na mo so mo de mama no me so eti George ene kwada se ne no nimle ento komona no di em so mo ne ma ma to asa ya be pa na sia ene kwada so ya ko wo really wa say what I really say okay na misha na onyo kasiye onyo obi saye enso emfa emau enso eho itisa anatie yedisi nyame amo china Thursday yebidi nkobo bebiri enso dey afan club world cup bebi ayeduro no quarter final stage no surprises easy yebedi ho nkobo yakramo nyame amo china